Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Phonics and Grammar classes. In today's video, we are going to discuss about vowel team EA. This combination of two vowels can make three different sounds. Let's check. EA can make long E sound. This is the most common sound for the EA, as in each, each, eat, eat, east, east, eat, beat, eek, beak, east, beast, blur, each, bleach, cheap, cheap, eat, cheat, clean, cream, dream, east, feast, heap, heap, eat, heat, jeans, leaf, leaf, leak, leak, leap, leap, meal, meal, mean, eat, neat, each, peach, peacock, peacock, peanut, each, reach, read, read, real, seat, seal, eat, seat, speak, speak, each, teach, team, week, week. Short E sound, this is less common. Head, bread, bread, breath, leather, feather, heavy, dead, trait, sprayed, sweat, wealth, weapon, weather. Long A sound. EA can make long A sound. This is a rare sound. Stir, ache, steak, ache, break, great. In this video, we have learned about the different sound of E. Long E sound, as in each. Short E sound, as in head. And long A sound, as in steak.